Clear variable in Python. Is there a way to clear the value of a variable in Python? For example, if I was implementing a binary tree. If I wanted to remove some node from the tree, I would need to set self.left to empty.
What's wrong with self.left equals none?
The del keyword would do. But in this case I vote for self.left equals none.
var equals none clears the value, setting the value of the variable to null like value of none, however the pointer to the variable remains. Del var removes the definition for the variable totally. In case you want to use the variable later, for example set a new value for it, i.e. retain the variable, none would be better.
Actually, that does not delete the variable / property. All it will do is set its value to none, therefore the variable will still take up space in memory. If you want to completely wipe all existence of the variable from memory, you can just type
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.